Have you ever wondered why you don't get enough sleep or you have trouble falling asleep? Research have shown that melatonin levels can be affected by the amount of time we use on a screen. Well, we will be collecting a sample with the average amount of phone screen time and the average amount of hours of sleep people get to see if there are any correlation. First, I created a sample form for people to answer two simple questions: the average amount of screen time and the average amount of hours of sleep. Note, this sample was completely anonymous. I was able to collect 77 responses from people. Then I gathered my data on a Google Sheet and made a scatter plot on Google Sheets and on my TI-84 calculator. The explanatory variable is screen time and the response variable is the hours of sleep. My results are as shown. My regression line is y equals negative 0.031x plus 6.914. My coefficient of determination is 0.002 and my correlation coefficient is negative 0.045. The correlation coefficient measures the strength of the linear relationship between the two variables. Based on our sample and equation, we do not have any correlation between the hours of sleep and screen time. Note, these results were gathered from my TI-84 calculator and not from the Google Sheet, and that is why the numbers differ a little bit. According to the scatter plot, the form of my graph does not have any association between the two variables. My direction is neither negative or positive because my regression equation is a complete straight line in the middle of the graph. The association of the graph is weak because we can see the data points are all over the place. According to our scatter plot, we have a lot of outliers, low and high, since they are far off from our regression line. With our sample, unfortunately, we were not able to see the correlation between the amount of screen time and the hours of sleep. Maybe there are little to no change in melatonin levels when screen time is present. Also, if we collected more data from more people, we might have gotten different results.